Hello everyone, my name is Arnav Bukche from class 9th F
And I'm Akshat Singh from class 9E
of Podar International School, Ahmedabad. Today we are going to show you a project on wireless electricity transmission. This idea was first proposed by great scientist Nikola Tesla in 1891. As you can see here, the basis of wireless electricity transmission is that there is a transmitting device which is connected to a power supply and it transmits electricity through space by using time varying electromagnetic fields to a receiving device which has an electrical load connected to it. The working principle behind wireless electricity transmission is that wireless power transmission system is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction, where the energy from the primary to secondary coil is transferred through air. This wireless power transmission takes place by using coiled copper wires, metal plate electrodes and relay towers between transmitter and receiver. There are two types of wireless energy transfer, near field and far field. In the near field we have electromagnetic induction and for far field we have electromagnetic radiation. Today in the project we are going to show you inductive coupling which comes under electromagnetic induction. The basic sciences between this project is the law which was by Oersted, which is known as Oersted's law, which states that when an electric current is flowing through a wire, it generates an electromagnetic field around it. And as you can see from the diagram that when the wire is coiled, as we can see here, the electromagnetic fields converge at a single point and induce current in that direction. And the Faraday's law, the other law, states that when the magnetic field of the magnetic fields are changed, that induces an electric current. So as you can see in this model, this is the transmitting part of the wireless electricity transmission and this is the receiving part, with the electrical load being this LED. Now when I connect these two batteries in a series, the LED glows. So now this is because that this transistor 2N2222A, this transistor changes the direction of the electrical current from clockwise to anti-clockwise up to 3 million times per second, and this converts this DC power to AC power which can be used by this LED. The other parts included are two 9-volt batteries, a 27 ohm resistor and coiled copper wires. And if you can see here, even when I put an obstacle in between, the LED glows.
An application of wireless power transmission. Now, if you are saying that we are alone who are proposing the idea of wireless power transmission, well, think again, because there are some organizations who have started way earlier than us working on this idea. I am going to talk about two organizations, Emerald and Electron. First, let us talk about Emerald. Emerald is an organization from New Zealand which is dedicated to provide wireless electricity throughout New Zealand, and it will mainly help in getting electricity to remote areas. Now, let us talk about Electron. Electron is an organization which is dedicated to providing wireless charging to electronic vehicles. Some other advantages are no wire involved, no e-waste produced, no short circuit, no wear and tear, unaffected by dirt, dust and water. Now this is an important point. You might have seen in rainy season that the power lines get wet due to the rainwater and pose a threat by causing a chance of short circuit. Well, there is no chance of short circuit in this case. Some other advantages are low maintenance cost, can reach to remote places, doesn't require much construction, and safer for both wildlife and humans, and chances of getting electric unit is very less. Some applications are transformer, electronic toothbrushes, and power mats, which enable us to charge many mobile phones at once. Some limitations are it cannot direct power for long ranges and has very high energy loss level. We can tackle this problem by using superconductors at very low temperatures or using a medium that makes the electromagnetic field directional. Thank you.
Thank you.